Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. In today's video, I want to show you how you can remove a shark bite. So let's go ahead and dive in. Well, the first way that you can remove this shark bite, number one, is use this shark bite removal tool. You need to make sure that it has the right size that you're using. So this is a 3/4 inch and the same pipe. So all you're going to do is put it up against the edge here. You go ahead and clip it in. You're going to put it up against these little edge right here. What it's going to do is going to press in, and it's going to depress the teeth that are back in there. You're going to pull this way, then you're going to pull this way, and it's going to pop right off. So let's go ahead and check it out. There you go. So another way to remove a shark bite if you don't have the removal tool is to use a crescent wrench. You're going to grab this and do basically the same thing. Get it as tight as you can on there. Do the exact same thing. You're going to try to pull this pipe back to my right and then pull everything else back to the left to go ahead and release that shark bite. So let's go ahead and try this. There you go. So 2 easy ways to remove shark bites. So if this video was helpful for you, I'd love to know that. You could leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section down below. Also, check out one of these other videos that have popped up here on your end screen, but I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.